Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do an energy check-in for you. How you're doing, how your partner's doing, and what is it that we really need to know about this connection now. And Gemini, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's get on with it. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Gems, let's start your reading. Nine of Pentacles, the Lovers, that's your card, Gemini, Knight of Swords, Ace of Swords, Queen of Swords, and the Six of Pentacles in reverse. So I'm going to start the other side. So this, for me, this is side A. Now I'm going to open side B. You'll know which side you resonate best with, okay? So for side B, I have the Ace of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, Four of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, the Four of Pentacles, and the Ace of Swords. All right, Libra, Six of Cups in reverse, bottom of my spread. So some very special connection here, feeling like a soulmate connection, a very good friendship, which seems to be in a little bit of trouble here, Gemini. And when I was pre-shuffling, I saw the Five of Cups come out thrice, which means somebody's having a lot of regret for what's happened. I'm going to take one more card for action this person likes to take, and one for the other person as well. So Libra, Gemini, before I start, I'm going to take a few dialogue message cards to see what's the problem here. Okay, I've got one here, and let's take a few from here. Gemini and their person spirit, they could say something to each other. Gemini and their person. Thank you. And I'm going to take a couple from here as well. Gemini and their person. Okay, that's enough. All right, Gemini, we're good to go. Overall energy that I'm getting here, one person has made a choice, I think, now to be single and independent and work on themselves, and the other person is wanting to restart or offer or have a stable new beginning with person A, and they're very stressed out about it. So let's see why that is. The first card here says, shit, you're all I think about. The past, the good times, our crazy passion, the drama, and how I want you now. Damn. So like I said, there's something that's happened, something has happened in this connection which has kind of broken you off or something, where one person has made that choice that, hey, I don't want to be with you. I'd rather be single, independent, and focus on myself. And the other person is extremely stressed out about missed out maybe on this connection or wanting a fresh new start. So it says, shit, you're all I think about. The past, the good times, our crazy passion, the drama, and how I want you now. My answer will be, I do. I thought the grass was going to be greener on the other side, but it wasn't. Maybe somebody waited around for a long time for somebody to make a decision, and they wanted to say I do. They really wanted this connection, which was really sweet, and it was felt so comfortable, felt like a soulmate bond, soulmate connection. But I think this person just kept waiting and waiting and waiting, and somebody was immature and made some rash decisions, never took action at that point, and maybe this person thought the grass was going to be greener on the other side, but it wasn't. And now maybe things have broken apart. You may not be perfect, but you're perfect for me. Do you really believe I'm the one for you? See, these are unspoken things. I don't think either of you have really said it in words. So this waiting and somebody trying to see their other options has created some kind of a rift here. I keep hearing songs and it always reminds me of you and I. Libra got this card as well. I mean, I think the 5D world is really nowadays, sending a lot of energy through music. So music is playing a big part in getting people together or sending messages. I need to control this connection. I'm afraid I will lose myself in it. I need to control this connection. I'm afraid I will lose myself in it. Yeah, somebody is making a decision here that I can't keep waiting for something which will never happen. I have to take back control, take back charge, and focus on myself and my independence. Because of just waiting around for somebody who's seeing if the grass is greener on the other side is wasting my time and taking away my energy, right? So let's start with the energy of person A first, then we'll do B, and then we'll see the most likely action that you guys will take towards each other. So person A is in the Nine of Pentacles energy and the Lover's energy. So why is that, Spirit? Why is person A in the Nine of Pentacles and the Lover's energy? One more. Yes, this person has, I think, waited a long time for their partner to kind of step up and say something which is concrete, but they find their partner to be a little ungrounded, maybe too materialistic, maybe always pursuing things that they want in their life and maybe not sharing, caring, and person A has made a decision to turn their back on this person. They have made an active decision, even though I think the attraction was there, the feeling was there, the soulmate connection was felt, but some person A has made an active decision to put a halt to this connection. Absolute staggering halt. I'm not going to wait around anymore. Yes, they feel whatever promises their partner was making to them were all false, and this was a promise breaker. They say nice, sweet things, but when it comes to the actual thing, they never keep their promises. So person A is getting a little fed up now and saying, I'd rather be alone, be independent, and take care of myself. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for this person to feel this way? Knight of Swords and the Ace of Swords. Okay, some truth was revealed. Some truth was revealed here, Gemini. This could have come in fast as communication or some revelation or something which came in out of the blue. This led to person A feeling there is no possibility of having the Ten of Cups anymore. There is no wish fulfillment here. This is not going to go the long haul. Maybe they found out about a third party or something. Whatever happened here, person A stopped fighting for this connection and said, hey, I don't want to give it any more of my energy. I am not interested. Whatever truth came out. What was this truth, Spirit? Ace of Swords? Ace of Swords? Some lie got caught here, Gemini. Somebody found out about a lie and it became very clear to them about something which they felt, I can't deal with it anymore. Maybe, like I said, it could be a third party situation or I don't know. So how does person A feel about person B now, Spirit? They feel the Queen of Swords energy in reverse and the Six of Pentacles in reverse. This person feels very, very angry and upset with person B right now, Gemini. Queen of Swords in reverse is somebody who doesn't trust. They've lost their trust, they've lost their... they're angry, they're upset, they are non-trusting at the moment because they feel this connection was very imbalanced. Maybe one person was giving to more than one. It wasn't like a balanced, equal give and take kind of a connection. And that's led person A to feel very upset and angry with person B. Queen of Swords and the Six of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, they felt their partner was being an illusionist, was tricking them. They felt their partner was a magician in reverse. Now, the magician in reverse is a person who tricks people, emotionally manipulates them, makes them believe what they want in the moment, but ends up then being the Knight of Cups and always breaking the promise. So, person A is angry, upset, does not want to be juggled anymore in this connection. Maybe they felt they had somebody else, there was another person in the mix. They feel whatever this connection was, if they continued with it, it's eventually going to backfire on them. They feel whatever truth has been revealed, whatever secrets have come out in the open, it's better that I drop this connection altogether before it kind of truly, blows up in my face. I don't want to deal with anything which is untrue. So person A is making a decision now not to fret or fume or worry about this connection anymore. They don't want to be, having sleepless nights or being upset. So this is like an active decision being made on person A's side that I don't trust person B anymore after whatever has been revealed to them. Let's see person B. Person B has the Ace of Pentacles and the Nine of Swords energy. Why is that, Spirit? Oh, Ace of Pentacles. They want to fight for this connection once more. They still want to fight for this connection. They still want to have this fresh new start, but they feel maybe their partner is very upset and angry with them, is kind of trying to keep a distance from them, is not allowing them in anymore. They may have made some immature decisions in the past, and now they're feeling very, very stuck and feeling, oh my God, there's imbalance come to this connection now. And even if I want to take it forward or want to have a fresh new beginning, my partner is very upset and angry and will not even allow me. They feel their partner is holding back from them now. And this is giving them a lot of anxiety, stress, and sleepless nights. Nine of Swords, Spirit, in reverse. Yes, this person has fallen in love, it seems. They have a lot of love for person A, but maybe they have never been able to show it. They've never been able to show it, or they've never offered it. They've always behaved in the opposite way, where they've been guarded with their emotion. They've never offered love or emotions, heart of hearts. This is how they've been behaving. This is how they've been behaving, and this is actually how they feel. All right. So now they're stressed out because they know that this kind of behavior of theirs, not offering emotion, being rash, being irresponsible, has kind of put their partner on defense mode, and now they are feeling all loved up and stressed out about it. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for them to feel this way? Four of Cups in reverse and the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Some secret came out, same card, absolutely same card. Some secret came out which ruined the soulmate connection. The Six of Cups. Some secret came out where one person, I think, gave up and said, hey, it's over, I'm not interested, and took back their loving and nurturing and caring. Queen of Cups, Queen of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. What happened in the recent past? Queen of Pentacles in reverse, Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody really, on person A's end, I think, really pulled back after the secret was revealed about something. That somebody was lying. Wow, so many cards just flew out, but I'm going to... No, actually, I'll put them back. There are too many. Let me just take one more card. Queen of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit, as a past energy. Why did that happen? Yes, I think some choice was expressed or came out, maybe about another lover or somebody not making a choice about another lover. It kind of this Queen of Swords went in reverse. She's here as well, here as well. Somebody lost trust in this connection and put a halt to moving towards person B. So the Queen of Pentacles has now taken back their power, no longer giving off their affection. Now B is stressed out because now they've recognized that they do have love. They can't stop thinking about the past, the good times, the crazy passion, and they want them now, but they don't know how to re-begin the story. How do they feel about person A, Spirit? How does person B feel right now? They feel that their partner's already released them. They feel person A has already released them and is off for a fresh new beginning of their own and no longer interested in investing with them. All right, Spirit? Why do they feel like that? Yes, they feel that person A was not emotionally happy with them. Then they've kind of stopped investing in this connection. They've released them and they're not kind of putting in any work or effort to keep this relationship alive, and they've gone up for this Ace of Wands, a brand new beginning in their own life, and they've kind of believing in the universe to say, hey, if this is not meant to be, maybe this is not meant to be, I'm leaving it to the universe. I'm not going to repeat another chapter with this person who's not going to bring me justice or judgment. They feel their partners moved away to a fresh new beginning and no longer interested in having the Ace of Wands with them. They feel person B is now feeling the brunt of what they've done. They're feeling that bad luck or karma is now not on their side. Let's see what's the action person A would like to take towards person B. The Emperor. The person A actually just wants to take back power and take back control of their own life. Yes, they don't want to be fighting for a connection which is going to be with somebody who's immature or a player or somebody who's going to be in and out of their life. Person A is looking for an emperor, not a knight. They're not fighting for somebody who's going to be behaving immaturely, who's going to be just there for the passion. They want somebody who's going to be like an emperor who can actually take charge and take control of the situation, or the action that they want to take is maybe take charge of their own life here and not deal with players. Yes, they are not offering anything at the moment. They don't trust this connection. They don't trust that this can go the long haul now. And what is the action that person B would like to take? They want a transformation. What's this, Spirit? The Death card? No, I think they've kind of recognized that they've been released now. I think they've kind of recognized that this relationship has come to an end now. They know that this has not been an equal partnership. They are recognizing what they've done or not done, not taken action, been a bit selfish in this connection. Maybe there was a third party that they were dealing with and they did not choose on time, and that's what's led to the end of this connection. So anything else, Spirit, for Gemini? Any hope that we can kind of... Yes. There is a bit of delay going on in this connection, Gemini. I think somebody has been kind of sitting around for too long, not making a choice between two. Okay? And that's the reason now communication is getting lesser and lesser by the day. This delay is not the best thing for you. That's what Spirit is saying. If you're going to keep this delay by not choosing, then somebody is going off for a fresh new beginning on their own. This could be a partner who doesn't want to wait any longer. Okay? So that's all I have for you. Take care, love and light. Till next time then, namaste.